You said what?
What's one of the things that other people say? I'll throw my shoes on. I'll put my shorts on too. We're out here doing filming for GTA San Andreas Remastered.
Behind the scenes of the GTA skit? Question mark?
GTA
What?
San Andreas Remastered. We out here making moves.
What are some of the sayings they say in Grand Theft Auto when you pull them out?
Who, them or him?
No, the guys that you get thrown out. They're thrown out.
My car!
Shit, my car!
No, dude.
What do I do?
No, you have to look up like GTA. Unlock the door, you
Albino.
You gotta edit it in the video.
Wait, what were you trying to do, Chase? Hold on. What? What were you trying to show?
GTA Vice City jumps be like.
How do they run?
Right, not kidding.
Alright.
My fucking car!
Alright. Okay, go ahead and do it one time.
My fucking car!
Hey, let me have that real quick, bro. You borrow this shit, bro.
My car! Yeah, she drives away.
I don't drive. 2 hands on the wheel.
Alright, go ahead. Stop! No, let me see this. Don't look at the camera. Don't look at the camera. Chase, stop! No, bro, like stop. Okay, you guys, the funny part, okay?
Swear to God, I'm done.
Okay, now go do it again, but come back here and be serious and slowly turn.
Alright.
Can I have that? Can I have that?
All right, no, but you're gonna. What's the catchphrase that he says?
Can I have that?
No, get the fuck out the car or some shit like that.
No, he says.
Get the fuck out there.
It's gotta be something stupid that he would say. It's this. What's up?
Can I borrow this?
Hey, let me get this. Like it's got. Hey, let me hold on to this.
All right, now you got it. All right, practice it.
Alright, which one am I saying though?
No, just say you get out of the car, something like that. Okay, it's all about the acting. Okay, it's not about what to say. All right, stop, bro. Bro, let him do it. Stop.
That is what they be doing.
Can I have that?
All right, chill, relax. Go, stop, go.
No, I'm the perfect CJ.
No.
I just need to paint my skin black. Get the fuck off my
Is that I can paint my skin black?
You gonna pitch your skin black?
Yeah.
That was mad racist, bro. That was racist as fuck.
I need you to walk.
What do you have to say to that?
You're beating it.
Oh yeah.
Get the fuck out the car, bro. Can I have this, bro?
Jeez. Vape Nation, bro.
And look.
He should honk the horn the entire time he's driving. People do that retarded shit in GTA.
Alright, that was good. Alright, we're ready to do it.
No, that was a joke though.
I know that's what we're ready to do it.
What's his parking job? No wonder you failed maneuverability.
Why are you going so far? Park back, scoot back. I need you to
Whoa!
scoot back.
Am I inside the lines?
Jace Corey, you have to get back up.
If you guys want to find Chris, this is his license plate.
There's the address. GTA stop.
Beat the fuck out the car, yo.
GTA outline. Hey, I switched my weapons. You gotta put the gun effects and shit.
This is gonna be the worst
get
video
hit
of
by
all
the
time.
car. You know they get hit by the car.
This is for Chase.
The most cringy video.
You're gonna start
of
here,
all time.
right? Here we go.
This is gonna be the worst video of all time.
But you know it features me, so.
I missed it.
Yeah, you know how you're
Alright,
walking.
so you're good. Alright, so we're gonna start here. We're gonna start filming, and then here I'm showing you how to drive.
I know how to drive.
Alright, no, I'm just saying what you do.
Yo,
like,
look
you're
at
gonna
the
start
school.
here, and then I want you to drive. Follow me.
The dumpster.
You're gonna
lady's
drive?
looking at us, bro.
And then you're gonna pull straight a little bit, and then you're gonna.
She's watching us, bro.
I wish I could run someone over.
Chill.
Like GTA.
What?
Like GTA.
When I run someone over IRL?
That's how they jump on the back of your car to get.
Imagine.
Dude, hey, no, get on the back. Watch this.
Can I have that?
No, you're gonna drive and I'll die.
When you get in the car, I want you.
Yeah, he could get injured. He has football to look forward to.
Baseball too.
Car, bro.
This car's gonna break.
Ooh, look at that drift.
It's. Imagine if it flipped, bro. It looks. It started to flip over there.
Your tires are
Yeah,
fucked.
your tires like went up in the air.
They're really.
Over there, they're like looking
Hey,
in the
I'm gonna
air.
go drive over there, see if there's any tire marks. So drive.
Dude, imagine he actually flips his fucking car, bro. She's gotta chill. Yeah, they're gonna call the cops, bro, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get the fuck out of here.
1 star.
Look at all these geese, bro.
I gotta get a
I'm
car.
going after one. Hey.
Yo.
Yo! They're actually gonna attack him, though. Yo! Get him! Grab him! He's gotta chill. Yo, you gotta chill, bro. You gotta chill. Watch Zach. They're gonna attack Zach.
I think I crip walked in it.
Yo, you wanna get a crip walk for the camera? Hold on.
Nah, we on camera.
No, do it.
I can't do that shit.
Do it. Look at it. Go ahead. Crip walk.
Grip walk.
Bust a move.
Warm up.